You guys hear me?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Awesome.
So the teacher sent me an email saying he has some suggestions regarding the design study and to go into our folder. Where is our folder?
Hey, Gina, I can't really hear you.
Oh, you don't have the wrong earpiece in. Hold on. So, Brother Espen sent me a regarding the design study, and he said that go into content. I'm trying to find. He says to go into the folder to look for his suggestions, and I'm like, what folder?
Assignments, maybe?
Go into content, final project. I don't see final project. What is he looking at? Oh, here it is. It's at the very bottom. But it doesn't show any. It doesn't show it.
Yeah, because I know the only person that would be able to view it is you, since you.
Yeah.
Like I don't know. I do remember seeing something like he said that. Like I think he sent an email out. Let me double check and see if we have an email.
I don't know where to find it. I'm gonna have to email and say where is it? Where's our folder?
Try going under assignment submission folders. There's an assignments button up at there's content, discussions, quizzes, assignments.
Yeah.
Click on the assignments. And see if there's any feedback there.
He just says, I've reviewed your design, the study document, and made suggestions for your group to consider. Download the attached. Let me download this.
Maybe we should just email him then.
Yeah, but there doesn't look any. Hold on. Patient placement. This is Gina. For who? What patient? To send the patient. Let me check. You guys, Wadley, are they able to send the patient? Utah Valley. They want to know if the patient. This is the transfer center. They said there was some confusion about whether the patient can be sent or not. Is it dirty? The room's on a snack clean, so it's not ready yet. No, not yet. Okay. All right, no problem. Bye. Anyways, when I open it up, there's no suggestions on it.
Oh no. So yeah, maybe we should just email him because I can't even see because none of us have one submitted. So,
Yeah, I'll just email them, see what. It's just like so many steps to go to find, and I had to email them and say, where do I upload this to?
yeah. Okay. Well, maybe we should just get started on the quiz.
Oh, wait, I found it. Yeah. I see what he did. He put his remarks in red. Let me see how many marks he put on here. Well, I'll have to go over it with you. You guys want to go over it after the quiz, or?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do the quiz first because I just want to make sure that I have enough battery. All right.
I think, can you guys hear me? Because you guys are like breaking up. Like,
I can hear you.
I can hear you.
Yep.
I'm just wondering if it's me or I don't know.
Okay, let me know when you guys have the quiz up.
I've got it.
What are we on
Okay.
again? 19,
18.
17?
18.
I'm like so lost. All right, let me find it. Well, I told Cameron, or it tells you guys, I did it earlier because I get interrupted a lot, so it's hard to follow you guys.
Yeah. Okay, so for number 3, I have 0.743.
Yep.
4, I have 0.712.
Yep.
Wait, sorry. You guys are all breaking up. Like, I almost can't even like.
Are you on campus right now?
Yeah,
It's probably your Wi-Fi. That'd be my guess.
that's probably why. Yeah, because like, I have to take a quiz for muscles here in like
Well, that's
45
a
minutes.
hard one.
Yeah. I've been studying all day, so.
Wait, Cameron, what are you majoring in?
Exercise physiology.
Okay.
Well, that explains the muscles. Yeah, you got a lot of muscles to work on. I've done that class. It is not easy.
Yeah.
All right, so for 5, I have A.
Yes.
Yep.
6, is 6 0.031?
Yep.
Okay. I was getting a little confused with that one. But anyway.
Yeah, I was too.
Well, the way it words it, because it says point estimate.
Yeah.
When
The point-
normally it's
Point
the
estimate it's the upper and lower plus. I was doing minus divided by 2 when it's plus. I think that's the right one.
Okay. So what's 7?
7.
0.154.
Yep.
Okay. So 8, I have negative 0.123.
Oh no! What did I do?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait a minute. What'd
9,
you get? My
so
stupid
for
computer.
8, negative 0.123.
3. Yeah.
9, I have 0.185.
Correct.
Yep.
And then we failed to reject.
The null hypothesis.
Correct.
Yes.
11 is D as in dog.
Right.
Right, and they said 6522.
So 12, I have true.
Yep.
Yep.
I didn't do it though, because I don't.
14 is D as in dog.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
14. So now we're just doing all the same thing over again. So 0.859.
Nope.
What did I do?
0.141.
141.
Yep.
141.
Yeah.
Yep.
What did I do wrong? Hold up. Let me see real quick. How did you get that?
I plugged it into the Excel spreadsheet.
What number are we on?
14. 1-4.
Okay.
So if you put in the Excel spreadsheet, so weekday is group 1. So you'll have to put in for the X 16, 7, 13. And for the total, it's 118,519. And then for group 2, it's the 6.
Oh, I did it wrong because I did the number survived.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So what was 14? 141?
Yes, 0.141.
Okay. Okay. So then the next one is 0.145.
Correct.
You say 455?
145.
1.
145.
Four.
Oh, okay.
0.02.
Correct.
Uh-huh.
So 17 is to the right.
No,
No, to the left.
to the
Okay.
left.
And how do you determine
Oh,
that? again?
less. It's less than, isn't it?
Yeah, if it's less than, it's to the left. So L and L is left and less. And
Okay.
then if it's greater than, it's to the right.
Okay. So the p-value is 0.978.
No, 0.022.
That's what I got.
Oh, I don't have the type of test right.
Reject.
Yes, reject the no.
There's sufficient evidence to.
So I put B. Is it B? I can't.
No,
see
C.
what I did.
See.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
because
A.
yeah.
Wait, it's A.
No.
Oh, because it needs to be sufficient. It's sufficient evidence
Wait.
since we're rejecting.
I can't see my dots, so I can't see if it's
Oh,
A
no.
or B. Let me see.
I put C. There is
C.
sufficient evidence to
It is
conclude
C.
the portion of
Yep.
patients.
That's right, it's C.
Woo! Got 100.
Yay.
Yeah, that one was pretty easy, luckily. Cool. See, the only thing that sucks is like, so you can get 100 on a whole bunch of these quizzes and it only brings your grade up like 0.001 0.01 or 0.02%. But if you get like an 80% on one, it drops you a whole bunch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the
Yeah.
tests are just a whole nother story.
That's true.
Yeah, the grading on this whole class is skewed in my opinion, but
True.
Yeah, I'm at a 94.3, and I'm just like, I'm praying that I stay above 93.
well, you're doing better than I am, so keep it
Me
up.
too. I'm in the 80s.
Yeah,
I'm in the
same.
80s.
Honestly, for me, like I got a tutor, and I've just been going to him like all the time, and it helps a ton.
You're lucky because I don't have one. 'Cause
Right, I don't
you're
either.
on campus.
Yeah, that's the nice thing about going on campus, because the school pays for the tutors. But all right, so do you want to go over what Brother Esplin said?
Yeah, let's if we can real quick.
Oh yeah, let's do that. Let me bring it back up.
Did you send that out to us or
Yeah,
okay, let me read.
you guys are lucky. You should have seen what we were gonna do to you guys as far as the study.
What were you gonna do?
We were gonna say that you guys were gonna have to go on campus and do a random sample of 100 women, asking them what type of sanitary napkins they use every month.
Oh my gosh, no.
They said we'll teach them for not showing up. We're gonna type up a fake one and send it to you guys. See what you say.
Just to see how much you would sweat.
Okay, so here's what he wrote. Do you guys have your copies?
No, I'm
pull it up.
trying-
Give me 1 second.
refresh and it's did you send it or am I just doing the one that you sent on Saturday?
Just the one I sent Saturday.
Okay.
Okay, I have it open.
Okay, so on the first question, he didn't say anything. It's the third, number 3. He crossed out weather in. He just wrote low temperatures in Rexburg. So
Okay.
he crossed out, and I'll send this to you guys. I should send this one so you can read it. But he just said, right, low temperatures in Rexburg, not weather.
Okay.
And then the number 6, he had a comment because we put down quantitative 2 samples paired, and he said the best stat method for comparing the difference between paired data, like what you will come up with, is the 2 sample pair dependent method. So we got to do the 2 sample. You guys have to do the 2 sample pair dependent method. Number 7, he wrote, choose a null and alternative hypothesis that will work for a 2 sample paired hypothesis test. Because I put we are comparing the difference of the temperatures. He said pair temperatures. Compare the paired one. Let's see, what else did he write? Number 8, I put it was a random, we're going to do random sampling, and he says this is where your study could have a problem because in order for you to generalize from your sample to the population, you must choose your sample by one of the methods listed above. In other words, you should randomly choose the days throughout the year in which you document the temperature differences. If you do not randomly select the dates for measurement, you really cannot make an inference about temperatures in Rexburg. So you will either have to justify the 7-day period in which you choose your date represents a random selection of all days in a year, or choose another way to select your sample. Now forward this to you guys.
Okay.
So number 9 says sample sizes are you planning to obtain? It says your sample size is 7, n equals 7 from each of your two populations. You're pairing a forecast with the actual low temperatures and finding the difference between the two values. If you can determine that the population of differences of the paired data is normal, then the sample size is small, would be okay. He really messed up my stuff here. Number 10, he says, look at the overall requirements for the two samples, hypothesis tests, and discuss how your study aligns with your requirements. He didn't like what I put, so he crossed it all out. Okay. Is that all he wrote? Yeah, it looks like all he wrote. So I'll forward this what he wrote to you guys.
When do we have to have it resubmitted back to him by?
He didn't state. I don't know. We'll have to figure out what to do here. I'll text him or email him and ask him when he wants us to.
Because I'm just wondering if we have like tomorrow to work on this and then we can turn it back in by Thursday, maybe?
Yeah, I'm thinking by the weekend, but I'll check with him.
Okay.
And then we got it. He's already made a suggestion, so we just have to redo it a little bit.
Oh, he wants, in the email, he said, I'd like to have all projects approved by Thursday, March 15th, which is.
Okay, there you go, which is tomorrow. Oh, so we've got to submit it tomorrow or something.
So we can submit it the night. Well, no, we'd need to submit it tomorrow. So he'd have 24 hours to review it.
Yep.
Okay. So then are we meeting again tomorrow?
We're going to have to in order to get this submitted.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
So same time?
Yeah.
Tomorrow?
Should be able to walk. I'll have to double check, but I'll let you know in the morning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just send me a text and let me know.
Yep. Just,
All right.
I'm pretty flexible
I'm available tomorrow night.
What was that, Alice?
I said I'm pretty flexible tomorrow, so just let me know what time.
Okay.
Patient placement.
All right. Well, I will get this uploaded and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
Oh.
All right. Sounds good.